This video is going to show you how to access a territory report. So the first thing we'll want to do is open a map. Okay, and once we have our map open, territory reports work best when you have both territories and pins applied to your map. So once you do that, then you're going to come over here to this US States drop-down folder and then select Territory Report. So you'll see up here at the top, once this opens, that we have two tabs, the By Territory and the By Locations tabs. So the By Territories tab is going to show us a row corresponding to each territory within this folder, which in this case would be each state in the United States, along with a total count of the number of pins from the sales data set that fall within that territory, as well as a sum, or we can choose an average, a max, or a min of all of the quantitative columns in the sales data set. So, for example, we have annual sales as one of them, so we can scroll over and we can see that we have 965 million coming from Alabama. Then, if we want to, we can come over here to the By Locations tab and click on that. And then it's going to show us a breakdown of all the individual locations that fall within each of the individual territories. So it's alphabetical, showing us all the locations within Alabama, and it will continue to do so until all the pins have been listed. And if you come over here, you can click on the download button and it will download a spreadsheet that you can use. And that's how easy it is to access your territory report using Mapline.